Hello, I am Megha Patel and this is my presentation on research study Be More Transparent and Users Will Like You, a Robot Privacy and User Experience Design Experiment. The purpose of this study is to understand user experience with the interaction of robotic system considering privacy and its impact. It is about applying transparent and non-transparent data information to user experience. Another objective is to contrast between two different types of robots, embodied and disembodied, by using humanoid robots and interactive kiosks. One of the aims is to disclose policymakers of the software about implementing transparency in their innovation. Researchers' method took place at Innovation Lab of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, where they invited 72 participants by email, 41 male and 31 female in the age group of 80 to 60 years old. Their method was divided into two categories: embodied system, where participants either assigned to humanoid robots or interactive kiosk tablet. The second category is transparent data information, where participants either assigned to transparency of information or non-transparency of information. Every participants were randomly assigned to one of the categories, and in this process they did not actually collected any private information of the users in entire experiment. It was just to collect data and observe their reaction. Following up with the reaction, they included other step which is called user experiment measurement, which is a questionnaire divided into 6 categories based on attractiveness, perspicuity, efficiency, dependability, stimulation, and novelty. Participants answered and their data were collected by ANOVA method, which is statistical data collection. There were two major findings on transparency and physical appearance. In transparency, there were more positive outcomes in user experience compared to the non-transparent information. And in physical appearance, there was no significant difference in providing transparent information, but researchers found that humanoid robots were able to collect more private data information than interactive kiosks. This image shows a disembodied and embodied condition where participants refused their action or either permitted action. We can see that in embodied condition there were more likely users who give their consent to their private information. This is the follow-up process on recording reaction time of the users in seconds giving their consent. The reliability of the study, limitation and accuracy in the research. There were researchers identified there was a moderate sample in each group because this is more focused on one system, face enrollment system, and the face enrollment system are located in large, well-respected cooperating settings, which distinct use of framing settings and technology types may have different effects on dependency of surroundings and circumstances of the system. The accuracy in Hypothesis 1, there was a lack of evidence. Hypothesis 1 claimed that it reduced risk tolerance and privacy concern, which affect on the accuracy of outcomes, whereas in Hypothesis 2, they have a strong analysis of the result on transparency leads to positive experience of the users. Connection to Kling's initiative on social informatics, that the understanding and impact of transparency in human interaction through different types of robotic system correspond to Kling's ideology on social informatics. This is one of the quote from Kling's reading that however social informatics researchers have developed some fundamentals ideas that can help improve professional practice and that pertain to diverse array of information systems. The statement of Kling determines that researchers' ideology on certain aspects and their main concern leads to researchers which help improving information system. Researchers, when they identify how transparency is needed in order to give individuals confidence and a opportunity to develop knowledge in diverse field of information system, such as we see in the study on how embodied system and disembodied system have differences on user experience within transparency and non-transparency data collection. So this is my presentation. Thank you for listening.